Hello, everyone. I'm Marcel, and my virtual 2-hour workshop for the 2021 convention is Hypnosis as Mind Medicine, Cell Healing for the Advanced Hypnotist. In this presentation, I will not only explain to you how hypnosis can heal on a cell level, I will also teach you unique techniques to let go of irregular physical and emotional patterns. You will also learn how to protect your own personal energy and your mental emotional health by using my 7-step shielding method. If you work with clients with complex health issues such as autoimmune problems, cancer, or deep emotional trauma, this workshop is perfect for you. Or if you want to take your practice to an advanced level while keeping your own health and well-being steady, you're going to get a lot of value from my presentation. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you in August. And in the meantime, make life amazing.